whenever I'm using the word McDonald, in every person mind, only one word is going to strike. What is that word? McDonald meant for? Respond. McDonald meant for?
Burger.
Fast food.
Burger. McDonald meant for burger. Okay, like assume that is the McDonald founder is cooking every burger, is preparing every burger. Ayyo.
No. No.
No way. If assume, yes, I'm the owner of McDonald, was if I prepare with my own hands, then only the best quality I can give to my customer. Like if McDonald owner, if he felt like this, then in your lifetime, you're never going to get the chance to eat McDonald burger. Remember that. Array, if you go anywhere in Hyderabad, in any gully, McDonald burgers are available. So it's not Indian company. It's somewhere in the US. Array, how it is happened? They built the systems, they duplicated the systems, they delegated the work. The delegated work. So if I want to do everything on my own, if I want to do everything myself, then you will be in the rat race. You will always around there only. No improvement, no growth. Once you start a delegation, your growth is going to start. Your success is going to start. Your freedom is going to start. Remember this one. That's why highly recommended use the mantra of delegation. I'm using multiple from day one onwards. I'm using this word delegation, like compulsory. We require to use this concept. The people in the world, multiple people are using this concept. Multiple people are using this concept. They succeeded. Very simple, sir. You are selling your time to your company and you are getting the money. Your boss delegating his works to you by giving the money, he is earning huge money. Observe that. So yourself and your boss, who is earning more? You are earning or your boss is earning?
Yes.
Your boss is earning. Your boss is earning. Your CEO, the company owner is earning. Okay, like what activities? Vary the difference between your two approaches, your approach and your boss approach. Your approach, you are giving your time, okay, to get the salary. You are doing his work. What that person is doing, he is delegating his work with the money by using money as a tool. That's why his growth is exponential. Your growth is linear.